Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. If you are new here, hello. So y'all, it is currently 6:30 in the morning. I went to bed last night at 12 a.m. and I woke up at 4 a.m. We are doing a moving vlog series, moving diaries. It's been so chaotic this far. We are currently moved into our new place. We have been packing to move for the past 2 months, since August. You might as well say 3 months at this point because today is October 31st, so happy Halloween, you guys. Before I really get started in this video, I just want to say, whoever lived here before me, they knew what they was doing with this light. I don't know what it's giving for y'all, but for me, it's a lot better than the other light I had in my previous room. I have to start my morning by cleaning the toilet and the shower. If y'all already haven't seen the bathroom, the toilet looks very disgusting in this new place. And the tub needs to be cleaned like yesterday. Then we are going to head over to the new house to try to grab everything that we can before I have to go to work at 1 p.m. today. And when I get off of work, whatever is left in the house, I have to go back to the house and see if I can put it in the car and bring it back to the new place. It's just a lot going on. I was able to put my bed down last night. That's the only thing that I was able to do. I set my TV up on my nightstand and I got my bed. But other than that, you guys, my ankle burns and my knee hurts so bad. And I work at Target and I have to do a lot of walking. Good thing I have a short shift. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone you know. And let's get into it. Y'all, so I re-wiped the sink down because I'm not sure what Ariana did the day we came and deep cleaned. The toilet got fully wiped down. It looks a lot better, don't it? Cause listen, I don't play that filthy shit. This is the upstairs bathroom. I wiped this sink down again as well. And I wiped the toilet down again. This is what the inside is looking like. It's the tub. The tub is definitely a lot cleaner. I promise y'all that CLR is gonna do it every time. We are at McDonald's to get some breakfast before we head to this house.
What are you started this morning?
6222.
Alrighty, what can I give you today?
3 sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffins. 1 sausage and cheese McMuffin. A medium Sprite. A cup of water. A small high C. Pancakes and bacon. A small Dr. Pepper. That's all y'all want?
Yeah.
All right, I think that's it.
Everything looking alright on the screen?
Yep.
Just like pineapple on McDonald's today?
Yep. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I just got done eating my breakfast. I didn't eat nothing since yesterday. Actually, I don't think I ate since motherfucking Wednesday night. Damn. Anyways, I enjoyed my breakfast and I got some energy, so now it's time to get this stuff going. My car vacuum, my jumping cables. This is a ring light that I'm taking. I'm taking my shredder. That soap is empty. Those boxes are empty. This is Samaj Legos. We're taking these. All of this is definitely going. This electronic bucket, busted, disgusted, never to be trusted. I paid for those. Those are coming with me. And taking this living room TV. And what's left of the food, I need my trash can. That's coming with me. Nothing in the living room besides the glass. Basketballs I'm taking, but I can't put in the car right now. Samaj's toys I'm taking. The Xfinity Wi-Fi box is staying until I can come back. The TV has to stay. The reels have to stay. The dishes that I wash, I'm gonna have to leave until I can come back. Empty the freezer finally, and we got the fridge emptied. But before I bring anything into the house, I just want to show y'all what it's looking like. The truck is fully packed. Hey guys, so I just got off of work. I am heading to the house. I just got on this highway and these folks are driving crazy and it's raining, so I will see you guys at the old house. Get to the house, the old house. I know, it's Halloween. I should go to a couple of these houses before I go and go grab me some candy. I'm getting off track. But the first thing I need to do is get my Ring doorbell because I'm gonna need that for my new place. All right, you guys, it's official. I am finally done. I got everything packed in the car, ready to go. I am tired and hungry. It took me 2 hours. The time is now 8 p.m. I got here about 5:50. Remind y'all, me and the kids came here this morning. We packed up a whole bunch of stuff and took it to the new house. I went to work, got off of work, came right back and finished packing. I wiped down whatever I could and I swept all of the rooms upstairs and downstairs. The only thing that's left downstairs is 2 of the kids' beds, the rails, and a few minor things that they didn't want. Besides that, it's official. We are finally moved out. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is show you the house one last time, upstairs and downstairs. I just wanna take me a shower, find me something to eat, and lay down. That's it, that's all. I don't got work tomorrow, and that's all she wrote. All right, y'all, let me get up out of here because I've been hearing noises and it's time to go. This was my room. Next, the hallway leading to the bathroom upstairs. And then right here, got a closet. Turn off this light. Got the other closet. Next, we got the living room, dining room. And from there, you got the kitchen. This hall closet. And then this closet. And y'all know the light don't work, so I'm not even gonna try to turn it on. The stairs leading downstairs. This is the main area. You got a closet right here. Then the stairs going downstairs. Got the kids' bathroom. And then you got this area. That's like the little shelter room. These are the beds that I left down here and the trash. I could have put it in the recycling, but it's full. And this was the laundry room. We didn't have a washer and dryer though. Just that in here. Next you have Ariana's room. Amaya's room. Samaj's room. All right, you guys, it's a wrap. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. This is the last time y'all gonna see this place, and I ain't gonna see it anymore either. We are on to new adventures. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Leave a comment of something that you like about the place. With that being said, y'all, I'm out of here. See y'all in the next one.